Oh wait, what is it filming? Oh yeah, hi guys. Today we are gonna go river rafting, and this is my second time going river rafting. And if you ever have a chance to go to Kagay, I suggest you going to Kagay's rafting because it's a perfect place for you to do level medium rafting.
So beautiful.
Oh wait, and you see that? You see that jeepney right there? It has one of the boats on top of it. See that jeepney right there? It has boats on top of it. So we're gonna be riding those rafting boats. So anyways guys, see you later, peace.
Okay.
Hi guys! We're on the jeepney now. I already put it on. Nakalagay na kami. Hi guys, we're about to go in the river rafting. We're about to go in the river rafting. We're in the jeepney. We're in the jeepney right now, and the river boats are up here, but you don't really see them. We got the helmets, we got the paddles. We got the helmets, we got the paddles, and of course we can't forget the helmets. Oh yeah, gotta go right here. Hi guys, we finally arrived to the river rafting area. Don't mind my swimming suit, but the refs is over there.
Wait.
We're gonna be riding on that river. I don't know if we're allowed to film though. I don't know. Yeah, look.